Have you ever urgently needed to charge your phone only to have it act up on you and not give you that fast charging? In this video, I'm going to help you fix this problem. So you plug your phone into charge and you get cable charging instead of fast charging. Go to your plug, unplug the USB from the power brick, plug it back in, unplug the brick from the wall and plug it back in. This usually fixes the problem. You should now get fast charging. If it doesn't work, go to your device's settings, find battery and device care, and then tap on battery. Scroll down to more battery settings, scroll down from here and make sure fast charging is enabled. This will fix the problem. Another quick tip to save some battery life, find a picture with a black background and set that as your lock screen and also home screen background. And that'll save you battery as well, because everything that's black is actually turned off on these OLED screens. That'll save you a lot of battery.